our own native social channels, it means that this goes all throughout the globe, and it makes a huge impact, and the results speak for themselves.
Thanks, Amiteo. I'd love to add a little more color here and some specific shout outs to some of the best content creators and translators out there. On the content side, Stan, your YouTube shorts have been amazing. Your quick encapsulation of each project. I'm always Stan, I hope you're here. Stan is Vass on Discord. I'm always very jealous of your content. You always create these on a idyllic beach in Thailand. CRYPTONIC1, you are the absolute YouTube tutorial king. As you're the first example there. I think every single partner we've announced with, you've done an in-depth tutorial on how to mint in Hindi, and you're super active within the Discord channel. Thanks so much for your input. GP, if you're in the